And welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be getting rid of fat, excessive fat, especially glycerol fat. And glycerol fat is the fat that surrounds your vital organs, and these are normally in the stomach region, right around the stomach region where you have all of that glycerol fat, excess fat. We need fat on our body, but when it gets too much, we have to do something not only to look good but to stay healthy. So I have this remedy for you that's gonna get rid of all that fat with continuous use. In 7 days you should be able to see great results. You'll drop a few pounds, and if you continue to use it, within 30 days you are going to get rid of all that fat, and even more, you're going to be healthy. So if you're interested in this wonderful remedy, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to make it right in your kitchen in no time. Now this is a very quick and easy recipe, therefore no one should have any excuse why they cannot make this drink. The first ingredient and main ingredient is apple cider vinegar. Now apple cider vinegar is known to help with weight loss when taken on a regular. Apple cider vinegar will help to decrease your body fat. It will help belly fat and decrease your blood triglyceride. Apple cider vinegar will also help to flush the toxin from your body. It will help to speed your metabolism out, and it will give you a boost of energy. Our next ingredient is cayenne pepper, and cayenne pepper is a great cleanser. When you take cayenne pepper, you definitely know it's going to rev that metabolism up. It's also going to send you to the bathroom a little more often, because it's going to have to get rid of all the buildup and all the waste in your body that you really do not need. Cayenne pepper is also going to help to boost the metabolism. It is great for energy. Once you take a lot of this, it's going to energize you, and it's going to make you feel so much better, not only by losing weight but also for your overall health. Our final ingredient is turmeric powder, and turmeric powder has been used for centuries in aiding weight loss. Turmeric powder helps with digestion. This also helps to flush the system out. Turmeric powder also helps to boost the metabolism, and turmeric powder is great for so many other health benefits. Turmeric powder alone is going to help your system to be clean. It's going to give you a boost of energy, and it's going to take care of those other minor medical issues that you may have. So along with these other ingredients, turmeric is going to do wonders for those fat. It's going to just melt those belly fat, those glycerol fat, and you're on your way to a flat stomach when you take a lot of turmeric mixed with your apple cider vinegar, your cayenne pepper. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to mix these three together to get rid of belly fat. Now for this recipe, you're also going to need about 6 ounces of water. Now for the water, you can choose to use either warm water or cold water. Just use whichever you prefer. Next, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can choose to use a little more. However, I prefer to use 1 tablespoon. Now this is a 1/8 teaspoon, and this is what I'm going to use for the cayenne pepper. Now try to use at least 1/8 teaspoon. If you have the tolerance and could take a little more, go ahead and use a little more. So I'm using my 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We're going to add that in. And for our turmeric powder, I'm using a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. A 1/2 teaspoon is perfect for 6 ounces of water. So I'm going to add my 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Do not add any sugar to this, okay? Now you can choose to add a little honey in this, and this is optional. You can also choose to squeeze a little lemon juice or a little lime juice in this. Both are optional, okay? And now I'm going to give this a stir. Just mix it in. And this is really not as bad as it seems. The pepper, you're just going to drink this down, so you're not going to really taste the pepper that much. It is really not a very pleasant drink. However, it is very, very effective in getting rid of fat from the body, from the intestine. And not only is this going to get rid of your belly fat, but it's going to get rid of excess fat from all over your body, your arms, your hips, your thighs, just, about everywhere where it's excess. Now here we have our drink, and you want to drink this at night, preferably 6 ounces every night just before bed. In no time, you are going to notice a huge difference in your body. You're going to be energized because the pepper is going to boost that energy. It's going to increase all of that energy level, and it is also going to be working on the metabolism. It's going to burn up all that fat. As soon as you eat something, it's just going to just burn it up. Now, in no time, you are going to be so flat stomach, energized, and you're going to feel so good about yourself. Continue to drink this until you achieve your required weight. You can also use this for maintenance. If you are at the weight you want to be, you can choose to have this at least 2 nights per week. Help to flush the system out, help to boost the energy level a little, and you'll stay as you want to be without gaining back that weight, okay? So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Try it. Come back. Comment. Those are always welcome. And if this was the first time watching, look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.